Michelle, how are you feeling today?
I can't fucking see.
I told you to put on your shades.
What the hell? I can't see.
We're at Battery Park. That's my second home right there, the Hyatt. See it? That's Jersey. Manhattan. You can come into my arms. What's up, Michelle?
What the fuck is in my bag?
Don't be cursing. What's up, Michelle? Feeling better? You getting your Paris on? Talk to me.
What?
Talk to me. What's going on?
I'm about to go on. I'm just feeling celebration tonight. Celebrate. Don't wait too late. You know, we don't stop. We gonna celebrate one more time. One more time.
I thought that song was faster than that.
Celebration. You know we're gonna do it right tonight. Yeah, feeling. Me, yeah. Oh, yo, what the fuck? Why is this song? I feel like I've been singing forever. I freaking forgot this song.